In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your primary calendar settings in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before continuing, especially if you use more than one account for work, school, or personal scheduling. This matters because the calendar settings you see will depend on the account that is currently active. Once Google Calendar is open, take a moment to look at the top right area of the screen. You're looking for the gear icon, which is the shortcut to your calendar settings. Click that gear icon and a small menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Calendar, where you can adjust how your calendar behaves, looks, and organizes information. After the settings page opens, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This area contains different categories related to your calendar setup. Scroll if needed until you find the section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Under this section, you'll see a list of calendars connected to your account. From that list, select your primary calendar. In most cases, this is the main calendar tied to your Google account and is usually the one you use most often for personal events, meetings, reminders, and daily planning. Clicking it will open the settings specifically for that calendar, allowing you to review or manage details related to it. If you don't immediately recognize which calendar is your primary one, look for the calendar that matches your main account identity or the one that appears as your default when creating events. Taking an extra second here can help you avoid changing settings on the wrong calendar. And that's it. You've opened Google Calendar in Chrome, gone into the settings menu, and selected your primary calendar from the left sidebar under Settings for My Calendars. From here, you're in the right place to continue managing that calendar's individual settings as needed. If you're following along while watching, feel free to pause at any point to make sure each screen matches what you're seeing on your computer. A slow, careful setup now can save time later when you're organizing your calendar more efficiently.